Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your Slack workspace from the free plan to a paid pro or business plan for additional features and unlimited message history, follow these instructions. Step 1. Sign into your Slack workspace using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your workspace name at the top left corner to open the workspace menu. Step 3. Select Settings and Administration from the menu, then click on Workspace Settings. Step 4. Navigate to the Billing section in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Change Plan or Upgrade to view available subscription options. Step 6. Review the different Slack plans available, including Pro, Business Plus, and Enterprise Grid, along with their features and pricing per user. Step 7. Select the plan that meets your team's needs by clicking the Select Plan or Upgrade button. Step 8. Choose your billing frequency, either monthly or annual. Annual billing typically offers a discount. Step 9. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. Review the total cost based on your number of active users, then confirm the purchase. Your workspace will be upgraded immediately with full access to all paid features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.